This is a Sandburg Library tutorial looking at library resources that can be found through the mySandburg portal. When you log into the mySandburg portal, it will look similar to this. Each box or card can be moved, so yours may look a little different based on how you want to rearrange things. If you ever don't see a box that maybe your teacher mentions or your friend has, scroll down the page and click on Discover More. This will show all available boxes. Back on the portal page, we will look for the Library Resources box. Like quite a few boxes, we have various links. The Library homepage link takes you to the library website. The Library Catalog link takes you into the online library catalog to search for books. The Library Database link will take you to the A to Z Library Databases page. The Library Guide link will take you into our Library Guides page where you can find online help for things like writing citations. The Library Magazines and Newspaper link will take you to a listing of local newspapers and magazines the library subscribes to, along with access information. In some of our other videos, we mentioned the A to Z database page, so we will click on the Library Database link to open that page. The A to Z database page will show you all of the databases provided by Sandburg Library, such as the Academic Search Complete through EBSCO database and the Academic OneFile through Gale database. We recommend narrowing down this list by subject, like history, or by type, like ebook, audiobook, and streaming videos. If you have questions or need help, contact us at library@sandburg.edu.